at the top. Now, this is something we haven't seen before. We're adding numbers in columns. So we have the first example. Can everyone see on page 186 at the top where it says 32 plus 4? So the 3 is in which column? Is it the 1 or the tens column? It's in the tens column. And the 2 and the 4 are both called in the ones column. So when you set numbers up like this, you add them in each column. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And then, just a second, I need a pen. There we go. I need to change my color. There we go. So that's a 6. And then 3 plus, there's nothing there, so we write 3. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm going on to the first question. So it says, Alyssa, can you do that one for us? It says 23 plus 6. So what are you going to do? We've got it set up so it says 2, 3, and then 6 below it.
29.
Correct. So you add the 3 and the 6 and you get 9. Thank you. And the 2 plus 0 gives me 2. So 29. Very nice. Evan, can you do number 2?
Okay.
On page 186.
34 plus 3 equals 37.
That's right. So you add the 3 and the 7, the 3 and the 4 rather to get 7, and the 3 and nothing to get 3, 37. Thank you. Selena, can you do 3?
Number 3 is 21 plus 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9.
Very
And
nice.
2 plus 0 equals 2. And it's 29.
Perfectly done. Thank you so much. Maxim, can you do 9 and number 4?
39.
39. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So 39. Well done. Giselle, can you do number 5?
Number 5. 3 plus 3 and a 5 equals to 38.
That's right. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then the second 3 in the tens column plus nothing is 3. So 38. Well done. Mason, can you do number 6?
Okay, 26.
Sorry,
27.
27. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus nothing is 2. 27. Alyssa, number 7.
Okay, 31 plus 2 is 33.
That's right. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus nothing is 3. Perfect. Evan, can you do number 8?
3 plus 25 equals.
So add the ones column first.
3 plus 25 equals 28.
That's right. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus nothing is 2. 28. Selena, can you do number 9, please?
Number 9 is 24 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 0 equals 2. So it's 26.
Thank you so much. Maxim, can you do number 10?
38.
38. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus nothing is 3. 38. Nicely done. Okay, 187. Tell me when you're ready. Are you guys ready? Now this one is interesting. We're adding 22 and 10. So the easiest way we can count up from 22, count up with our fingers, counting up 10. Or we can think about the 1 is just going to add to the 2, and both of those are in the tens column. So, Maxim, can you do the first one? 25 plus 10?
Okay.
What do you get when you add 25 plus 10?
35.
Very nice, 35. Giselle, can you do number 2? It's a little harder.
20 equal to 39.
39, obviously it wasn't harder. Very nice, thank you. Mason, can you do number 3?
33.
33. Perfect. 13 plus 20 is 33. Alyssa, can you do number 4?
Yes.
Okay.
Which page are we on?
We're on page 187.
Number 4.
Yep.
Is it 29 plus 10?
That's correct.
Okay, 29 plus 10 is 39.
Perfect. Very nicely done. And Evan, can you do number 5?
Okay. Number 5, 20 plus 20 equals 40.
Very nice. Thank you. Well done. Okay.
Yeah, but I also need to catch up on that.
That page? You
No,
need
this page. The other one.
which other one?
Yeah, I'm still on this page. I still need to catch up.
Okay, so the page before this?
Hey. Oh, the page we're right now on.
Okay. I'll give you a minute. No problem. Tell me when you're done.
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you. Okay, so now we're still on the same page, 187. And so we're adding numbers in 2 columns. So can you look at the example where it says 21 plus 10, which I already know you said 31. And the way of doing it is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. And then we're adding the tens column, which is the 2 and the 1. And so it says 31. We add each column successively. So number 1. Selena, can you do number 1?
What?
Selena, number 1 on page 187 at the bottom.
63.
So it's 16 plus 20.
Oh, 36. 36.
Right, so 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. The answer is 36. Maxim, can you do number 2?
Number 2.
Mm-hmm.
30.
Right, 10 plus 20 is 30. Giselle, can you do number 3?
Wait. I'm going. Oh. Okay. So that's 20 plus 18.
So you're going to add first.
20 plus 18 equals to 38.
Okay, you're doing number 5, 38. Perfect. Well done. Mason, can you do number 3?
Again.
27 plus 10.
27 plus 10 equals 27.
27 plus 10 more. So 7 plus 0 gives us
37.
That's right. 7 plus 0 gives us 7. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 37. Nicely done. Alyssa, can you do number 4?
Okay. 30 plus 10 is 40.
Very nice. Good. Okay. Can I go on to the next page, everyone?
Yes, you can.
Excellent. Here we are. So this case, can you look at the example? The example, we're now on page 188. Everyone with me?
Yeah.
Okay, page 188. It says 23 plus 12, and we wrote it in columns. So we're going to add the ones column, which is the 3 and the 2.
What page are we on?
On 188.
188. Okay.
Okay, so we're looking at the example in the pink box. So we're adding 23 and 12. So we're adding the numbers in the ones column, which is 3 and 2. What's 3 plus 2? 5. And adding the numbers in the tens column, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay, so 35. 23 plus 12 is 35. Ready? Okay, so we're going to do a bunch of examples, and we're starting with example 1. We're still on page 188. Evan, can you do the first one for me?
Okay.
What does the question say?
24 plus 16
Yes.
equals 30.
So add it in columns. So do the ones column first. What's 4 plus 5?
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Good. And then 2 plus 1?
21.
No, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So it's 39.
3.
Does that make sense, Evan?
Yeah.
You added the ones columns, and then you added the tens column. Very nicely done. Selena, can you do number 2, please?
What?
Can you do number 2 on page 188?
Okay. 1 plus 8 equals 9. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. So it's 39.
Perfect. Maxim, can you do number 3?
37.
Right. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 37. Well done. Giselle, can you do number 4? Giselle, number 4 on this page. Do you see the question? 14 plus 22?
4? You mean the 4?
Yep.
Okay. 14 plus 22 equal to 36.
Right. And you got that by adding the 4 and the 2 makes 6, and the 1 and the 2 makes 3. Thank you so much. Mason, will you do number 5?
Okay, 37.
Sorry, how much?
37.
I don't agree with you. What's 7 plus 2?
7 plus 2. 9.
9. And 2 plus 1 is?
3.
So 39.
49.
Yep. Did you not see the 2? You might have missed the 2. But good, now well done. Alyssa, number 6.
13 plus 25 is 33.
So let's add this in pieces. Let's add the ones column first. What's 3 plus 5?
3 plus 5 is 8.
So you put the 8 down. And then you look at the tens columns. What's 1 plus 2?
3.
Right. So what's the answer?
Okay.
38. Thank you so much. Evan, will you do number 7?
23 plus 16
Very nice.
equals 39.
That's right. How did you get that?
Because the 23 is 1 less than 24, and 16 is 1 more than 15. So that will equal the same number.
Very good. Selena, will you do number 8? Thank you so much, Evan. Selena, will you do number 8?
Number 8.
Mhm.
6 plus 1 equals 7, and 1 plus 2 equals 3, so it's 37.
Thank you so much. Maxim, number 9.
36.
And how did you get that? And you're right. How did you get it? Did you add the 2 and the 6 to 2 and the 4 to make 6, and the 1 and the 2 to make 3? Yeah. Giselle, will you do number 10?
Which one?
Number 10.
Okay.
Last one on the page.
Okay. 23 plus 15 equal to 38.
38. Very nicely done. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to go on to the next page, okay? Yeah? Any objections? All right. Okay. So this, I want you to look at this question. Everybody looking at this, at the either the screen or your notebook, we're looking at the pink example. So it says 29 plus 7. So when you do this, there's this extra step, because what's 9 plus 7? It's 16. So what we do is we say 9 plus 7, and then we write down the 6, and we carry the 1. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, so the answer is 36. It's a little harder to do, but I know you guys are smart and can do it. Are you ready? Okay, we are now on page 189. All right, 15 plus 5, which is the first one. Mason, can you do that one for me?
What do you say again?
So number 1, it's 15 plus 5. How do you do this one in this form?
Mm,
So add the ones column first. What's in the ones column?
15.
The 5 and the 5. The ones column is the first column. So I'm going to circle the ones column in purple. Okay. And the tens column, I'm going to circle in red. Okay. So in the ones column, so what you do is you add, what's 5 plus 5?
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Right. So I write down a 0 and I carry the 1. And now I say 1 plus 1 is?
1 plus 1 is 2.
So the answer is 20. What do you think?
Yes.
We're going to practice this. Alyssa, can you do number 2 with me?
Okay.
So we're going to add the ones column first. What are the numbers in the ones column?
8 and 3.
What does that give you?
5.
8 plus 3?
Oh, I mean, sorry. I thought it was minus. 8 plus 3 is 10.
8 plus 3 is 11. So you write down the 1 and you carry the other 1. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
That's right. So the answer for 18 plus 3 is 21. Evan, can you do number 3 with me? You're still on mute, Evan. There you
Okay.
are. Okay, so what's in the ones column, Evan, on number 3?
Uh, 4
It's always 4 and 6 are in the ones column. What's 4 plus 6?
is 4 plus 6 is 10.
That's right. So I write down the 0 and I carry the 1. What's 1 plus 2?
1 plus 2 is 3.
So the answer is 30. 4 plus 26 is 30. Okay, number 4. Selena, will you do that one for me?
What?
Yeah? Do you see number 4, Selena, on page 189? Okay. Can you add it for me?
5 plus 6 equals 11, and 2 plus 0 equals 2.
Right, now be careful. 5 plus 6 is 11, yes? So we write down 1 and we carry the 1. The extra 1 there from the tens. So now it's not 2 plus 0, it's 1 plus 2 plus 0. What's 1 plus 2 plus 0?
3.
3. So the answer is 31. Maxim, will you do number 5 with me?
Okay.
Perfect. It's a hard one. It's got big numbers in it. So I want you to add it in columns. So what's in the ones column, Maxim?
8 plus 9 equals 17.
So what do I do?
27 and carry the 1.
Carry the 1. Perfect. And go ahead. 2 plus 1 is?
1 is 3.
So the answer is 37. Very nice. Giselle, number 6. Do you see number 6, Giselle?
Number 6.
Mhm.
So 14 plus
7.
7
So we're going to do it in columns.
Things you should never mix with water.
is
So 14 plus 7 is, so 4 plus 7 is how much?
24.
Right. And so
No,
we're going to,
no,
Right.
21.
21. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we write down 1 and we carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 21. Thank you. Well done. Mason, can you do number 7?
Is it me?
Mason, yeah.
Number 7?
Number 7, please.
Number 7 is 24.
Right. How did you do that? In columns. 8 plus 6 is?
8 plus 6, 14.
You write down the 1, so the 4, and you carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and you got to 24. Very nice. Thank you. Alyssa, will you do number 8 for me? Number 8, 24.
24 plus 8 is
So first add up the ones column.
4
4,
plus 8 is 12.
write down the 2 and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is?
32.
Is 3. So the answer is 32. Very nice. Evan, will you do number 9? Do Do you see number 9?
19 plus 4.
So do it in columns. So we're going to add the ones column first. What's in the ones column?
9 and 4.
And that gives you?
9 and 4 gives 13.
Right. So I write down the 3 and carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is?
10. No,
1 plus
2.
1?
2.
2. So the answer is?
23.
Very nice. Selena, can you do number 10 for me?
Number 10 is 27 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. And the 1 goes on top of the 2, and that is 33.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Well done. Okay. Everyone good? Can I go on to the next page? Yes?
No.
No? Who said no? Who needs a bit more time?
Yes.
You're done? Okay. All right. So here's another example. We're looking at page 190 at the top, and it says 15 plus 15. Do you see that, everyone? 15 plus 15? Well, what's 5 plus 5? 10. So I write down the 0, and I carry the 1. Then I do 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So you first add the ones column, and then you add the tens column. Everybody ready? Okay. All right. Maxim, can you do number 1 for me or with me?
Okay.
On page 190, number 1. What does it say?
15 plus 18.
Very nice. So we're going to add the ones column first. What's in the ones column?
5 and 8.
What's 5 plus 8?
13.
That's right. So I write down what?
3 and carry 1.
Good. Continue.
1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3.
That's right. So what's your final answer?
33.
Well done. Very nice. Giselle, number 2.
Number 2, okay. 28 plus 12
Right.
equals to 40.
Right. And how did you do that?
Cause
So 8 plus 2 is?
equals to
10. You write down the 0, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Very nice. Thank you. Yes, I can see it. Well done. Number 3. Thank you for showing it to me, Giselle. Mason, number 3,
Number 3
please.
equal to
Tell me how to do it though.
it has 9 plus 6 equals 15.
So what do I do?
1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 35.
Very nice. Alyssa, will you do number 4?
Huh?
Will you do number 4?
okay.
Thank you.
16 plus 16 6 plus 6 is 12.
What do I do?
And you write the 1 there.
That's right. Write down the 2, carry the 1.
And the total is 32, I think. I don't know.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Well done. Evan, will you do number 5?